Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Debbie and you're watching Just Debbie Marie. So today I'm going to be doing just a simple, quick and easy style. I'm going to be doing a wash and go, but I'm going to only be using one product to style and it's not going to be a gel. So you know that I love gels and I usually use a lot of other products in my wash and goes, but I won't be doing that today. So I'm just going to see how this turns out. Hopefully it'll be quick, easy and efficient. So if you want to see that, keep watching. Okay guys, so I have, as usual, washed and deep conditioned my hair. I have it up here in a ponytail. You will see the water dripping because I literally just washed it out. So I'm gonna just take it down now, and of course I have my handy dandy t-shirt so that I'm gonna get too wet up. So I'm gonna take it down. And if you want to know what products I used in terms of washing and deep conditioning, you guys can check out my first video on my 10 twist or 9 twist out. You guys can check that out. I'll put that up in the cards. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like, freshly washed and deep conditioned. So I'm just gonna section out the back piece and start from there. But before I do that, I will actually be using one product, as I mentioned in the intro, and it's the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. It says it has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, or no mineral oils. Not that I'm very fussy about that kind of stuff, but that's what it says. So this is what we're going to be using today. The reason why I chose this product, because I've actually used it before, but not by itself, is that I find that it has pretty good hold, like good enough hold for a cream. And it also is very moisturizing and it smells very good. So what I'll be judging this no gel wash and go or one product wash and go on is basically longevity, because I like my styles to last for at least 1 week. I'm also gonna be seeing how defined my hair gets using the one product, because it does say that it's a curl activator, so hopefully my curls will be popping. And also the moisture in terms of softness, how my hair feels after just using this one product. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna be just showing you how I do one section, and then I'll just watch and see how it turn out. Hopefully it turn out good, people, and I can actually wear this. So you're going to be on the journey with me, so keep watching. I usually or typically do my hair in about 3 sections, so I do back, middle and front. So that's what I'll be doing. I don't really do small, super small sections, but yeah, this is what I'll be doing. So I'm just gonna show you one section and the size of the section that I take. Of course, I clip away what I don't need, so I'm clipping away the section that I'm not gonna be working on right now, so that it doesn't get tangled or into this section here. I also forgot to mention that I have my handy dandy brush here just to help me detangle as I go along. So I'm feeling my hair and I feel like it needs just a little bit more moisture in it, so I'm just gonna spray it a little bit and just smooth through my hair, and then I'm just gonna make sure the tangles are out. I would have detangled while I was deep conditioning, but yeah. Then I'm gonna take some of the product. Oh, I think I probably took too much a while ago, honestly. Just rub it in my hand. Smooth it through like so. I don't know how this look. Hopefully this look good and can go on. Feels pretty moisturized, I'm not gonna lie, it does feel pretty moisturized. I don't know if it's really being defined, can't really tell, but I guess when it dries we gonna see. We are gonna see. And I'm just putting a little bit more on my ends. And then I'm just gonna brush one more time just to ensure that everything is evenly distributed. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna zoom through everything I'm gonna watch while I do it. So yeah, stay tuned.
Finally at the front of my hair, even though it never took me so long. I don't know why I'm even being so dramatic about that. It really didn't take me long because I really just used only one product. So I'm basically doing the same procedure as you would have seen in the previous clip. I am detangling, ensuring that there are no knots or anything, and my hair is like really smooth. Then I'm squeezing some of the product in my hands, and I'm rubbing it through my hair, raking it through, smoothing it through until it feels moisturized enough, until it feels like it has enough product and my hair is completely coated. Now I will sometimes go in and put a little bit extra moisture on my ends because they're colored and they tend to be a lot drier. And then I'm just really defining with my brush again until I get the smoothness, until I get the feel that I need. I'm also shingling a few pieces because the front of my hair is much looser than the rest of my hair. That's how it has always been. It's not that it's damaged, it's just how it grows out of my head. So again, I'm just continuing. I actually decided to do a side part this time. You guys know that I love middle parts, but I decided to do a side part, so I'm just continuing on the other side, just smoothing the product through, detangling, ensuring that everything is coated the way that I like it, just looking at it to see if there's any frizz or anything like that, and just smoothing as I go along, detangling and defining also with the brush, and then shingling because, as I said, it is super looser at the front. And this section that I'm doing now is actually probably the loosest part of my hair, so it takes a lot of work to mold the curls and to form them in a way to me that looks halfway decent. So I'm just probably gonna do a little extra care and give a little extra attention to this section of my hair. So again, I'm just putting in the product, and you're gonna see me shingling some of the strands too, because as I say, the frizziness right there is real, and I'm not using a gel, which would usually assist me in getting rid of some of the frizz, especially at the front there. So I'm just really trying my best to work with this product and jingle. And now I'm just taking out everything because I like to kind of keep everything that I've already done out of the way so that it doesn't get confused in the section that I'm working on. I'm showing you guys what it looks like wet, and then this is the back.
Okay guys, I am back. This is the final result of the wash and go with no gel using one product to style. This is what it looks like. So you would have seen in the previous clip where you would have seen what it looked like when it's almost dry. Now it's 100% completely dry. And I actually put it in a pineapple, that's why it looks a little bit more full, a little bit more stretched. I do not usually stretch it all the way just because I want my style to last for the entire week until the weekend where I wash and restyle. So this is what it looks like. Of course, you know, I kind of define my parts a little bit by putting on the gel right here, and that's basically it. Some of the curls are still very much clumped together. Yeah. So this is the style. My thoughts on it, I do not think it's gonna last the entire week, honestly. Also, I mean, it's soft enough, but not the best. I would have really loved to have added some oil and a more moisturizing product in the hair, but it definitely does have hold. But I still don't think it's gonna last the entire week. And I mean, a little bit of the definition is there. If I had a gel, I would have smoothed it on my roots a lot more, and I think that's what would have helped the roots to lay a little bit flatter. The ends are more defined than the roots as it is now, but overall, for just one product, I don't think it's that bad. I think it's wearable, could definitely wear it. So yeah, it's not that bad. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you again for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you like these videos. Check out my previous videos on the channel. Remember to share with your friend if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.